The hidden story of the elevator. A journey beyond the buttons. Every day, millions of people press a button without giving it a second thought. The doors open, the cabin moves silently, and within seconds, they're on another floor. Simple, right? But is it really that simple? What seems like an ordinary action today is actually rooted in one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements, the elevator. It's not just a metal box. It's a revolution that allowed cities to rise, architecture to evolve, and human life to reach new heights. But how did this revolution begin? Who took the first step? And what's really happening inside this machine? If you've ever wondered about these questions, stay tuned because we're diving into the untold history of the elevator, exploring its inner workings, and taking a look at what the future might hold. By the end of this video, you'll never look at that quiet moving box the same way again. And if you enjoy stories like this, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on notifications for more fascinating content. Now, let's begin. The story of the elevator goes back much further than you might think. In the 3rd century BC, the Greek mathematician Archimedes designed a lifting device powered by ropes and pulleys. It operated manually and could move loads vertically, a groundbreaking idea for its time. But it wasn't safe for people. It was built only for carrying goods. For centuries, the concept evolved, disappeared, and resurfaced again. During the Middle Ages, monasteries used simple pulley systems to lift food and supplies, but still, there was one major problem: safety. Then, in 1852, an American inventor named Elisha Otis changed everything with one brilliant idea: the safety brake system. Back then, elevators were suspended by ropes, and if a rope snapped, the cabin would fall. Otis's invention automatically stopped the cabin in such cases. In 1854, during a demonstration in New York, Otis stood on a platform, ordered the rope to be cut, and the platform didn't fall. The audience was stunned. That moment marked the birth of the modern elevator. After Otis's breakthrough, elevators spread rapidly. In the 1880s, German engineer Werner von Siemens developed the first electric elevator, replacing steam power with an electric motor faster, safer, and more efficient. Electric elevators made it possible for cities to grow vertically. Skyscrapers became the symbol of modern civilization. Without elevators, our urban skylines simply wouldn't exist. Modern elevators work using two main systems: electric and hydraulic. In electric elevators, a motor winds steel cables over pulleys. The cabin moves up and down with these cables, and a counterweight helps balance the load, saving energy. These systems are used mostly in high-rise buildings. Hydraulic elevators, on the other hand, use fluid pressure to move a piston that pushes the cabin upward. They're quieter and usually found in low-rise buildings. Both systems share some key components: the cabin, motor, rails, control panel, ropes, and safety brakes. The cabin is where passengers stand. Rails keep it aligned vertically. The control panel manages the system and allows floor selection. The ropes lift and lower the cabin. And the safety brake, that's the guardian angel that stops everything in an emergency. Today's elevators are smarter and safer than ever, thanks to sensors and advanced software. Weight sensors prevent overloads. Smart algorithms optimize floor calls. Energy consumption is minimized, and safety is maximized. In the world's tallest buildings, elevators can now reach speeds of over 70 kilometers per hour. Some travel diagonally, others glide along glass exteriors, offering stunning views. From Japan to China, from Dubai to New York, elevator technology has become a blend of comfort, design, and engineering mastery. And the future? It sounds like science fiction, but it's already being studied. Imagine a space elevator, a cable stretching from Earth to orbit, carrying people and cargo to space without rockets. Thanks to ultra-strong materials like carbon nanotubes, this idea might not be fantasy forever. Meanwhile, green elevator technologies are emerging, built from recyclable materials, powered by low-energy systems, and guided by AI for maximum efficiency. Elevators are not only lifting people, they're lifting sustainability itself. The evolution of the elevator isn't just technological, it's social. Accessibility for the elderly, the disabled, and children has transformed cities and daily life. In today's world, living without elevators is almost unimaginable. So, next time you step into one and press a button, remember you're entering a system that carries Archimedes' imagination. Otis's courage, engineers' brilliance, and humanity's eternal desire to rise. Between every floor lies a story that began thousands of years ago, a story still being written today. The elevator is more than a machine. It's a symbol of our ambition to reach higher. From ancient pulleys to glass-walled skyscrapers, from mechanical ropes to artificial intelligence, the journey continues. And maybe, one day, we'll ride an elevator that takes us to the stars. If this video surprised you, inspired you, or made you see the ordinary in a new light, then congratulations, you've just become part of that journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because in every video, we'll keep uncovering the extraordinary stories hidden behind the things we see every day.